Okay, I'm back. So my camera died, so I have to do like a second video or some shit. I'm very happy with all my black Barbies. They are all bad bitches. Okay. And they know it. Okay. I'm gonna give them all names. I even have some more. I have like maybe like 2 more. I know I have like 3 more Black Barbie. Are part of my collection. Okay. Here's my first Black Barbie. She is a retro Black Barbie. And she's gorgeous. She has a missing hand that I have to find somewhere. I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but I don't mind chopping off another Barbie's hand and put on her. But yes, here she is. She's real cute. She's got poofy hair. And she's a Christmas Barbie. I love her. Okay. And this Barbie, I got her the other day. And she's like light skin. She's really cute. Ready? I like her hair. It reminds me of Jennifer Lopez. I love her. And then I have this other dolly, and she was discounted, but she looks like she costs more. She looks like a Barbie's. Oh, she's not a Barbie, but she looks like one. See, she's real fine. She's clean. And I think I know why she was discounted, because the packaging that she came in, the background of her packaging was like a bar scene. I'm like, you're selling a bad bitches to children? And there's like alcoholic beverages in the background. And she's real fine though. She's real fine. But I'm sure that was the reason why they discounted her. She was $30. And her legs are not even like plastic. They're like rubber. Like, she deserved to cost more. Okay. And my next one, my last Black Barbie. I mean dolly. Well, not my last one, but like these. See? She's real pretty. She was like the last one of her kind. And she has like this weird face. And like her eyebrows are so thick. And like when I saw her, I was like, oh my god. I love her. So I had to buy her. And she's like, she's a rock. It said on the box, it said that she's a rock star. She's like a modern rock star. She's got this headphone. Okay, like Britney Spears. And I love her shoes. They look really pretty on her. She's got pretty legs too. And she's got a guitar. So it's a really cute dolly. I mean, she's one of my favorite because she's got like a realistic face. And it's really unique. And I love it. So every time I see her, it makes me happy. Okay. So those are all my black Barbies. Let me see. Let me get them all together. All my bad bitches. I keep all my bad bitches in check. I am a very happy, satisfied customer. And I do plan on buying more dollies for my collection, whether they are Barbie or not, because I think they are adorable. So, yes. We got Cassandra. Okay. We got Star right here. Star. Okay. We got Cupcake right here. Cupcake. Okay. We got Midnight right here. Okay, Midnight. Look at the shoe cam. Yeah. The Winnie Williams swag. Okay. We've got Princess right here. We've got Princess. Okay. We love Princess. We love her. Okay. We've got Gorgeous right here. Gorgeous. There she is. Okay. We got Angel right here. Angel. Okay. But you know what? Maybe I'll change her name to Sprinkles. Because if her sister is Cupcake, then she can be Sprinkles. But I love Angel. She looks like an angel. So her name's Angel. Okay. We got Cinderella right here. Or, no, I'll call her Jasmine. Because I love her suit. Jasmine. Okay. And her name? Her name is Beautiful. They ask her, what's your name? She's like, Beautiful. Okay. Doing a hair flip. Yeah. And so, I plan on doing a music video soon as well. A rap music video. And I decided to get all my bitches in my music video. Yes. Are you living? Because I'm living. Okay. I don't have any kids. Except for one. And he white. He blonde. And he tan from the sun at the beach. He cute. I know all my Barbies are a sucker for him. They're all fools for Ken. For Beach Ken, because he's the only Ken. Look, he's so handsome. His eyes just stare into your soul. But yeah, he stands like, he's like, yeah. What's up, Barbie? Okay. I even have Cinderella, bitch. Look at Cinderella. She's real cute. Real cute. And I've got Elsa. I've got Elsa. And I got her sister. So those are not all my Barbies, but I do plan on showing my Barbie collection. I don't know who still collects Barbies anymore. Probably just me. I'm a 26-year-old and I have a Barbie collection. Woo! Okay, this is my last black dolly. These are from the Stars, the Diva Stars. She's a retro dolly. And I love her. I wish I had all the other ones. And I did when I was younger, but I lost them. And I had the one that was like a mirror. Like her hair flipped around and she was a mirror. And she's real cute. She's in pretty good condition. Hey! What's up? Cool! Totally. Or something like that. Walking my happy ass to the dollar store. And it takes forever. I have to go like this, back and forth each time. With my little ass legs. With my toys. Like I'm not carrying 3 bags of toys. All the way back home. Yeah, I mean, I have found my Barbie dream house. But I did find a dream castle. And it reminds me of like those tiny little peoples. Those little old retro toys where they have tiny little people in them. And that's why I got it. It is the cutest. If there's one thing you should know about me is that I love castles. I'm a princess. And I do want a real castle one day before I die. And that's one of my ultimate goals is to build a castle. I even have, I bought these JoJo Siwa dollies because I love JoJo. I love her. Oh my god, she reminds me of Sunshine. She's such a good influence to children. Yeah, she's a metallic and then rainbow hair. I didn't know which one to get, so I got both of them. She kind of reminds me of Rainbow Bright here. That was really pretty. Now she got bows. And sparkly shoes. Very pretty. Yeah. So, I did end up meeting my Prince Charming. And, we went on a date. And I have him here with me right now. If y'all would like to meet him. His name is Prince Charming. And, you know, when we met, we got along really well. And it was like, it felt like it was fate. Like, there was a lot of, like, it's like you felt it in the air. Oh, yeah, it's Prince Charming. I'm just playing. I think he's like Gustav or Gandalf or some shit from Beauty and the Beast. But yeah. I don't know, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's like a prince. like a prince. Where's my prince? I'm right here. Oh, baby.